I have some advice for new traders and struggling traders. It is easy to say, I want to start trading stocks or forex or crypto, but it is very difficult to stay put when you don't understand much about trading. In this video, I am warning you, don't even think about funding an account until you first and foremost have a solid basic understanding of trading. These includes day trading, technical analysis of stocks and trends definition, price action of daily charts, is it range-bound or trending up or trending down? The daily levels, the supply and demand zones, and the trend lines. Is volume increasing or decreasing? How to use stock scanners and screeners. There are many free and paid websites to learn. Example is Investopedia.com, Trading.com. Secondly, you need to have a good understanding on how to manage the risk of blowing up your account in a short time. This is your main concern or job. Managing risk. So, go and start reading and studying as many as you can lay your hand on. Consume a lot of information. After you have sufficient knowledge and resources to open an account, register and start learning using a demo account. Now, pick a strategy with a clear signals for entry, a clear stop loss and a clear profit targets. You could decide to buy at support and sell into resistance. Or buy or sell at trend lines, after getting confirmation or retest of trend lines. Secondly, try to avoid have a complicated entry and exit strategy. Make it simple. Also don't trade against the overall trends of the stock market. Thirdly, keep detail of your trades to help you analyze and learn more about your trades. You want to know why you lost on a trade and how to optimize winners. Then look to implement those ideas the following day. After 2 or 3 months of consistent wins, you might have gained some idea to trade, then you can go live and fund your account with real cash. And remember, risk management above is the key. If I miss some points in this video, in the comment section so I can address them, but this will get you on the right path. Keep watching Investing Styles for Employees and subscribe to my channel.